Are you having trouble with share your profile on the Kik app? If you can't share your Kik profile, the share option isn't working, or your profile isn't or the profile link isn't being generated or shared correctly, these troubleshooting steps may help. First thing you have to do is to go to Kik app. As you see here in this page, you will go to above to this side. Here in this window, you will find channel. Then you will find a pen here, you will tap on it. In this list of this pen, as you see edit profile, you will find edit profile, and you will go, sorry, not here. In this sign of sharing, you will tap, and here in this page you can share people that you can share with your profile as you see. So please don't forget to press bell like and subscribe.